We're at a BMW 318i 2016 model, and this is, did I say 2016? I'm losing my mind this morning. And it's a petrol engine. So there it's there. It looks like a common rail, but it's not. It's a high pressure petrol. So you see the common rail relay this is, but you see it's got coils, spark plug coils. So I think this is the B32 engine on an F30 BMW, and I think they used to be bad, or still are bad, for injectors. These are expensive injectors, but his complaint is that it's coming up with a powertrain fault. So the customer's complaint is you get a powertrain control fault on the display, and also he was saying he couldn't get over 70 miles an hour. So I'm actually sitting here, and just at idling I could feel the odd miss. So we done a scan using the launch. So here are our codes. The CAS has a welcome light, so that will not be a problem, and rain light solar condensation sensor. That will not be a problem. So here's the big one, ECM. A 150302 ignition cylinder 3 combustion period too short. See, that's intermittent. And a 140010 combustion misfire, several cylinders detected. So in a normal car that would be a P0300. Then a 140310 combustion misfire cylinder 3 detected. So that's 3 again. And then a 14001 combustion with several films. So they've switched the injector off. And then combustion cylinder 3 misfire, fuel injectors off. So that's probably why you can't get over 70 mile an hour. They're switching off one of the injectors. So we need to attack cylinder 3. So it could be something simple like a spark plug, or even a coil, or as I said, could be a bad injector. But what we could do here actually is swap tronics. We could swap cylinder 2 with cylinder 3, coil and plug, and take it for there. Let's have another look, see what else we've got. Signal, torque, crankshaft invalid. Don't know. ABS, ICM interface, longitudinal acceleration, centre of gravity signal invalid. Oh, there we go. Signal, torque, crankshaft, synchronization. The alarm has been activated. Reduction in brightness due to the footwell module. That's famous. This one. Power window, rear door, driver side relay closing. No output voltage. Relay for heated rear window line. Oh, see, I felt that the other now. Just a little miss. Just a little miss. Oh, again. Let's see how it's doing this. Let's go in and look at the figures. There we go. Continue. Read fault codes again. 3 combustion, 3 cylinder 3. There we go, that's a lot. So read data stream. Diagnosis request. So let's just have a look at the lot. Oh, maximum 24. So unselect the lot. So let's select the page then. So acceleration, air mass. That's working. Alternator current. 41. Alternator capacity utilization. So it's only using 30% of its total capacity. Alternator target voltage 15 volts. Alternator temp ambient redo battery current minus 10. Oh, we're misfiring at the moment. Oh, we're currently running on 3 cylinders. So we better just go right to cylinders. So unselect the lot. Charge pressure. No. Misfire 1. There we go. Let's just look at this. Misfires a cylinder 1, counter 1. There you go. So I'm sure that injector's switched off. Go back. It's got a petrol particulate filter on it. Rough running. Let's go for that then. Okay. So cylinder 4. It's cylinder 3's a problem. Not really conclusive, eh? Tapping noise status. Let's have a look at this one. Off. No, nothing really there. See anything else here? Special function. Adjustments on board. So adjustments. Let's have a look. Right, so we're popped into actuation tests. Injectors activate only when engine is running. So let's do this one. So I've only got 1, 2, and 3. Is this a 3-cylinder job? Maybe it is. So we'll hit complain about 3. Right, so we'll disable 1 when it's running. So activate. Oh aye. You can feel that. Stop it. It's came back in. Right. Number 2. So we'll activate it. Yep. I can hear that. There is a difference. So we'll stop it. And activate 3. Yep. So each of these cylinders are contributing. So this must be a 3-cylinder job. Never knew that. Right, so that test proves that we've got fuel, so I think we just need to type plugs and coil. Before we go and do that, let's just clear out these codes. So I'll read them again. So they're all intermittent anyway, but it's cylinder 3. Go back. Clear fault code. Okay, read them again. Start her up. Let's see if she sounds any different. Well, 3 cylinders. So it's actually took my idle up just a little. See that? That was lower than that before. Read fault code. I'll let you hear it. Windy out here. Obviously, to get to the one we want, we need to take that cowling away. So I'd imagine that's 1, 2, and 3's up the back. This a drive, and it went very well indeed. And actually, it was when I was at idle, you then could feel just 1 or 2 misfire. So let's get under the bonnet and take that for you. Well, that sounds terrible. So what I was going to do was jump into OBD and see if we can see mode 6, see if there's any data there. This is actually the B38 engine, I said 32, and you can find this in Minis. It's a 1.5 turbocharged, and I think it's about 200 brake horsepower. Quite powerful little thing, so we'll jump into OBD. I jumped into mode 6, and you can see it says everything A-OK. So, There's no come up with a fault code yet. Nothing. So let's go and have a look. Well, my goodness, this is some carry on to get access to these plugs. You've got to remove this bit here, head in with 10mm bolts, and you've got to move this cowl in here, and then what do we do with the bars? That bar there, with these big, these are 15mm and these are E18s. My goodness, no man worse than this is a Kia fuel filter. And then it needs the mini, is that right, Roddy, the mini adapter for the spark plug?
Yeah.
So the coil looks okay, so we're just going to pip out one plug, number 3, and pip out number 2, and just read the plugs. Right, what's the plug look like? Beautiful. We've been at, is that normal at the top, Roddy? Never seen it before, eh?
Yeah.
They've been in a while, eh?
I see
They're
impression.
they're original. Corona, what do they call it? Corona discharge.
Corona disc.
Oh, that's right, Corona. We're not allowed to say Corona. We didn't want Corona nowadays.
We didn't want it here.
No. What's the gap like, Roddy?
It's not too bad actually. We'll get a wee clean up, but it's alright. It's burning good day.
Well, we'll pip out the next plug.
Aye.
Have a wee look. Oh, his nose. See nose white looking?
What a discharge there, even in here.
Aye. That must be normal.
Where the spring goes though. Aye,
Aye,
it's powdery.
That's warm. Let's compare one to another. Is that a crack mark, Roddy? I think that's a crack mark on our number 3.
Yeah.
Look.
This end in here. This bit here.
Aye. They're tracking.
Hard to see.
Oh.
No, I don't think so. This one as green as the ball.
Right, aye. This is the good one. See the tip. See, he looks whiter. He's a touch. Oh, no much in it, is there?
Nah, not much in it. Nah.
Plugs anyway, yeah?
Good gap too. Yeah, I get plugs anyway.
There's the 3 plugs there. So there's number 1. And that's number 2 and number 3. So number 3 has the worser Corona discharge, if there was ever such a word. So when we're dealing with misfires, that's what we're just talking about, it's either a compression problem, an injector problem, a coil, or a plug problem, or excessive air leak. But you got to the stage that these plugs have got 50,000 miles, so you must condemn the normal service function item first of all, and take it for there. That would be your theory anyway. I don't know what the rest of you would think. Everybody, so we put NGK's finest. There we go, laser iridium. So I haven't even looked at the price of these yet, but I think these are a bit expensive. So Roddy's put them in.
As usual.
As usual. They work out about £10 a spark plug. Ain't cheap.